Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm at Bhuleshwar today. The wedding season is on. The November and the December month is the time you're going to be attending a lot of weddings. Even if it's your own wedding, this is the place that you have to be to. A lot of stitched lehengas along with stitched blouses, a lot of cut piece material, saris, jewelry and lot of stuff that you can get here at really cheap rates. So if you're finding for something that you want to get stitched on your best friend's wedding, your sister's wedding and something that you want to replicate from Pinterest, this is the place guys. I'll show you around, and if you're watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Now this shop is in front of Ram Mandir. If you're a boho fan and you love boho jewelry, this is the place. You name it and you have it. From earrings to neck pieces to payals to even if you, these are the belly belts. You have everything here. He doesn't bargain much. I got this. Dikhao wo payal, dikhao. I love these payals. I can wear it above on my boots, and even if it's some Indian wear. I got this for 250 rupees. He's not bargaining. Already stitched and ready-made designer blouses at really cheap rates. This place is perfect guys. It's straight from the Kabutar Khana. You come straight here. The store's name is Ram Lakhan Mishra Stores. So this is a very cool shop. You get blouses from the range 200 to 450. Really amazing ones. So this is the place. Something on Pinterest or something that you want to replicate, you want to buy materials, this is the shop guys. You have a lot of materials, from materials for kurtis, lehengas, a lot of stuff. This place is amazing. You can bargain a bit for if you have purchased a lot of stuff, at least 100 to 200 per meter. So yeah, that's it. To get your lehenga customized, this is the shop Aarti Rajasthani, right? 50 साल से है ना? 50 साल से है ये shop. Google भी करो तो you get this shop and the address. So कुछ भी customize करना हो lehenga for your own wedding, you have to come to this shop only, है ना uncle?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Towards the last, when you continue into the lane, the last shop is this shop where you can get amazing clutches for the wedding. Now look at this clutch. This is so pretty. This is for $650. Amazing steel deal. If you go to a shop like an AC showroom or something, you cannot get this below 2000 rupees. So this is an amazing shop for all the bags and accessories. If you want to put borders on your dupattas and saris, the traditional ones are here. And if you like tassels, boho and all of that, this is the shop you can get it from. You have other shops also in that lane. I'll show you around. Promise you for amazing footwear over here. You can get something that you can use on casual basis, not the wedding ones to be precise. And not all the shops here do have the ATM swipe machines. So make sure you carry a lot of cash, and if you don't have cash, there are a lot of ATMs around. I'm standing in front of a Central Bank of India ATM only. So you can get an ATM, but then make sure you have a lot of cash. That's all for today's video, guys. I had a lot of fun filming this video. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also the one who is behind the camera, the link of her channel is also down below in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be a wedding lookbook, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye.